Hi children, today our task is completing these three Python programs. First question is write a Python program to read input from user and print if it is a number. Otherwise print 0. So user has to give one input. If the input is number, we have to print same number. If the input is other than number, I mean alphabet A B C combination, we have to print 0. For that we all know we have to use isDigit function. Will check it is 0 to 9 number combination or not. Okay, let us see that. Suppose the simple program number equal to int of input of enter the number, print number equal to number. Suppose my input of number is 45, it's printing the same 45. Suppose my input is apple, what will happen? It gives error. So how to avoid this? So once user give the input, we should not convert that input immediately into integer. That int of we have to remove from the coding. Then we have to check the number is digit or not. My input whatever I give, suppose if I give 45, 45 comes to number. If I give apple, apple comes to number. Then number is digit or not. Digit means 0 to 9 combination or not. If it is true, then number will be converted into integer, then that comes to number. Suppose my input is other than 0 to 9 combination, suppose string input apple or whatever, number will be considered as 0. Let us see that. See here it's asking enter the number. I am giving 45, so number is digit, yes. So number 45 convert into integer value, then it comes to next statement, it's printing number equal to 45. Suppose my input is suppose apple, it is what? String combination. So what happened? That number contains apple now. That is digit, I mean 0 to 9 combination, no. So it comes to false block, then number gets 0. Then it's printing my number equal to 0. That's it. Okay. Then we go for the second question. Write a Python program to read input from user and add it into an empty list, number list if it is a number. Otherwise add 0 into number list. Okay. For that let us see that. See, this is the program already we have done. Write a Python program to add user input into an empty list, number list and print. So here number list is a list variable, it's initially empty. My answer is initially y. While answer equal to y, yeah, condition true. So it execute body of the loop. In the body of the loops we have 3 lines. We are getting one input from the number. Then number we are adding into number list. Then computer will ask you, do you want to see another number? If I see again y, while condition will be true, again it gets the input into number. The number is appended into number list. Suppose my answer is false, f, while condition will be false, it's printing the number list. This already we finished. Okay, in that it's asking enter the number to add it into list. Suppose my input is 50. It's a number, so it's added. Do you want to see another number? Yes. Then it's asking another number. Suppose my instead of number I'm giving ABC. So what will happen? It gives error because here when I give ABC, then ABC it couldn't convert into integer. That's why it's giving error. So how to solve this problem? While giving my input it is a number, it should add it into number list as the same. Suppose if it is other than number, if it is string like A, B, C or any A to Z combination, that time it has to add only 0 into number list. That is the second task. So how to do? We have to combine the previous program with this. So once we get the input number, that number we should not convert into integer immediately. We have to. So this program I am going to do for the second program now. Okay, see here the number once I give, that comes as a input only, I mean the string. After that here I have to check the number is digit or not. If it is digit, that number should be converted into integer, then that number should be, otherwise if the number is not is digit, I mean 0 to 9 combination, if it is a string, suppose ABC or whatever, then number input should be 0. We should not consider what is our input. It has to consider as 0 only. Then whatever, even 0 or whatever the number is my input, that will be added into number list. Okay, so these many things we have to add. After I should not convert the values into integer immediately. Once I give the input number, that should be checked with is digit function. Let us see now. Now it's asking enter the number to add. Suppose my input is 50. 50 means what will happen here? It is a digit, yes. So the 50 converted into integer, then it comes to and next statement that 50 will be added into number list. Do you want to see another number? Suppose my input is y. Here it's asking the input. My input is suppose ABC. So ABC is a digit, no. So it comes to false block. Now number will be 0. So 0 will be appended into number list. Let us see now. Okay, do you want to add another number? Suppose no, I gave. So my first input 50 added as same 50. My second input ABC is added as 0. That's it, the second question. Then we go for the third task. Write a Python program to read input from user and add it into list, empty list, number list if it is a number. Otherwise add 0 into number list. Then print the total of the number list. This is the extra. The same program of the second one, but extra we have to print the number list total also. For that we all know, if we have one initial variable total is initially 0, whenever we get the number is the digit combination 0 to 9 combination, we convert into integer. The same number will be added. If the number is string, it comes to else block 0, then 0 will be added into number list. After that the total will be added with my number. Then at last here I have to print the total equal to tot. That's it. Let us see now. Enter the number 50. Yes, ABC. This time ABC will be added as 0. Yes. Suppose 40. Yes. This time XYZ I gave string, so it will be added as 0. This time no. So my 50, so what is my output? 50, ABC will be 0, then 40, then XYZ will be 0. Let us see now. See here, my 50 added as same 50, then ABC added as 0, my number 40 added as same 40, my XYZ string added as 0, then at last my total is 50 plus 0 plus 40 plus 0, it's 90. That's it, children.